Guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this Myfirstwig streaky straight hair right here. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes with a wig cap, it comes with a wig stand, it comes with a letter, I think it's a coupon code in a special envelope, and it also comes with a comb. It comes with virtually everything you need to install your hair. And this is what the hair looks like straight from the box. The hair is actually silky straight from the box, and it also comes with a part as well. The construction of the cap is really amazing, and it also comes with an elastic band straight from the box, as well as an elastic strap as well. And it has two combs at the front and one comb at the back, and also the hair has been pre-plucked straight from the box, and that's what the hair looks like. So I cut the lace of the wig. I applied the got to be glue, the yellow one, on the areas where I actually wanted to place the lace wig. So I waited for about a few minutes and placed the hair exactly on the areas where I applied the glue. Guys, look at that, the hairline, guys. Look at the hairline. The most interesting thing about this hair is the lace. Guys, where is the lace? Please show me the lace. Look at how natural the hairline is. The most amazing thing about this brand is the fact that the quality of their hair is always out of this world for me. Like, seriously, I thought there was no point for me straightening the hair. Instead, I actually curled the hair just to be sure if the hair hold curls really well. The most amazing thing that I will always recommend about this hair is the lace of the hair, guys. The lace of this hair is the selling point for me, guys. The lace melts into the skin. Like, you don't need a glue, you don't need a gel, you don't need absolutely anything to install this hair. As you can tell from my previous install of the hair from this brand, I actually only used the elastic band from the wig cap, which is quite amazing. But if you you can go for glue or gel. But in this case, I'm quite surprised about the fact that there was no hairline at all. It looks so natural that you can barely tell if it was my real hair or if it was a wig. And also, I enjoyed wearing this hair that I actually used it to do a makeup tutorial, film a makeup tutorial, which you can tell from this part. This is not the same day, this is actually the fourth day. Look at the hairline, guys. Look at the hairline. The hairline for me is amazing, like amazing. If you guys noticed the quality of my video at the beginning, I got a new camera, so I was not able to set it right, so I look a little bit lighter. Maybe it's me, maybe not, but yeah, stay tuned for the review. I'll see you in my next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's day is all about this Myfirstwig silky straight hair right here. So I'm gonna go straight to the details and share my thoughts about the hair with you guys. The first thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that everything has been done straight from the box. And as always, if you guys watch my previous review about this brand, the packaging comes with everything, guys. I mean, everything you need to install the hair, apart from the fact that I use a gel in this video, but which you don't really necessarily have to, because if you watch my previous video, I didn't use any glue or gel whatsoever to install the hair, because the construction of the cap is actually glueless, so you don't have to use any glue, any gel or anything whatsoever to install the hair. The hair also comes with an elastic band installed inside the cap, so you might as well use that to install the hair as I did in my previous video, if that makes sense. The most important thing that I really love about this hair is the lace of the wig, guys. The lace of the wig is just absolutely amazing, in my opinion, guys. I actually, find it very difficult to be able to tell what the lace was on my skin while I was cutting the lace, which is quite amazing because I almost cut the hair because the lace was really close to my skin tone. This is to my skin tone. I would just say it's really transparent because you can barely tell the demarcation between the hair and between the lace and my skin. It was so close, which I really love a lot. So in my opinion, based on the fact that the lace was really like so real, and you find it very difficult to tell if it was actually my real hair or my scalp. So yeah, so it's quite amazing. So I really like that about the hair a lot. In my opinion, for me, in terms of the lace, it's a no-brainer. Like, it's a no-brainer. It's very difficult to tell, like, is this my hair, is this my real hair, which is the most important thing you have to look out when getting a lace wig, because you want a lace that's very close to your skin, so it's people find it very difficult to be able to tell if it's your hair or if it's not, which is the more reason why I really like this hair a lot. Another thing that I like about this hair is the fact that the hair was actually silky straight from the box, so you really don't need to straighten the hair whatsoever, depending on you, depending on the look you're going for. But for me, I just thought it was not necessary for me to straighten the hair because it was actually silky straight from the box. So I actually like the fact that I don't actually need to do that. So yeah, that is also a positive thing that I noticed about the hair that I like a lot. And in terms of the quality of the hair, as you guys already know, Myfirstwig always have this bomb, lace wig that there is no shedding, there is no tangling, or there is no, matting up whatsoever at all. As you can tell, it was just coming through my hand easily, like very soft. So in terms of shedding, I didn't notice any shedding whatsoever throughout the styling of the hair, which is one of those things that I look out for when it comes to my hair. And also, I will be wearing this hair for like, days until I remove until the glue comes out of the hair, or the hair comes out of the glue, or whatever. But yeah, I'll be wearing this hair for a while just to be able to share more, have a feel more about this hair and share my thoughts about them with you while I'm doing the voiceover as well. So yeah, if that makes sense, I would use it for a while as well and give you an update in my voiceover during the review of the hair as well. Their shipping is always very quick. I mean very quick. It took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK, which I really love about them. But I really like that about this brand a lot. Their shipping is always very quick, because this one actually took exactly 3 days to get here in the UK. And another thing I like about this brand is the consistency of the quality of their hair. Like, the quality of this hair is just as amazing as the previous one that I reviewed for you guys in my previous video. The quality of the hair is really amazing, and you be able to tell if this was actually a straight hair at all, because if you come closer to me, you can tell that the hair is took to curls really well. For a straight hair to take to curls this much, I'm quite surprised. A lot of people can always complain about the fact that their straight hair doesn't hold curls and all, but this one, in my opinion, took to curls really well. And if you want that bouncy curls that would last you longer, I recommend using a curling wand. But for today, I'm just feeling this glamorous, big curls, don't care kind of look today. But otherwise, I quite like the fact that the hair took to curls really well. Another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that it's very lightweight on the head. You can barely tell you're wearing anything at all. So look at that, guys. I'm quite a huge fan of the length of the hair. It's so bouncy, as you can tell from the video that the hair took to curls really well. Look at that, guys. I am a fan. Also, in terms of the length of the hair is actually 16 inches. The hair looks a little bit longer than 16 in my opinion, and this I've noticed about the previous hair that I reviewed as well. They are always very generous with their length, which is what I really like about them a lot. For 16 inches to be this long, like seriously, I am a fan. And also, please bear in mind that they have all types of hair on their website. They have silky straight, they have coily hair, they have all types of hair on their website. And yeah, if there's anything that you need to know more or find out about this hair, please feel free to leave a comment down in the description box below, and I'll definitely answer your questions in regards to the hair. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. Before I go, I also want to emphasize on the construction of the cap, guys. The construction of the cap is really amazing, and also the fake cap is sewn in a professional way that is well secured, that you can wash your wig, you can blow dry your wig, you can do anything to your wig, and the face cap will still be intact. And I love the construction of the cap. Really, it's well made and looks very professional. Also, please bear in mind that you can pat the hair anywhere you like, and also you can style the hair anyhow you like. You can do the half up, half down style, you can do the ponytail, you can do any style of your choice with this hair. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.